DNA, bone marrow transplants, personalized donor pools, an entire world of unfamiliar terms. So let's create some order. It's important for us that you understand a bit of our world at EZER MIZION. Think of DNA as a recipe for creating living creatures. DNA is found in every cell of our body. It contains the blueprint of creating human beings, animals, plants, and other living creatures, a kind of code of their different characteristics. DNA determines if we'll be short or tall, how we'll look, what the color of our hair and eyes will be, and more. Today, researchers know how to perform DNA tests that enable us to know many things, such as whether a person is someone else's brother, a distant relative, and things of that sort. This is called genetics. The good news of understanding genetics is that we gain the ability to cure illnesses that until recently were considered incurable, and to save the lives of millions of people around the world. Our goal at EZER MIZION is to save lives. One of the most significant breakthroughs utilizing genetics are bone marrow transplants, which offer a possible solution for treating cancer, autoimmune, and other diseases. In a bone marrow transplant, the patient's bone marrow, or stem cells, are exchanged for new cells. The new bone marrow and its healthy cells are extracted from a donor. When the new bone marrow is accepted in the recipient's body, they begin producing new healthy blood cells. Sounds simple, right? Actually, it's not. A good match between the genetic profiles of the patient and the bone marrow donor is of the utmost importance, since it significantly improves the chances of the transplant being accepted and not rejected. Siblings are the preferred donors, since siblings have a 25% chance of being a perfect match for the patient. If siblings are not found to be a match, the search expands to the extended family. But what if you can't find a donor there either? Actually, most patients will need a transplant from an unrelated donor. A patient of Jewish origin has the best chances of finding a donor at EZER MIZION's International Bone Marrow Donor Registry. This is precisely where you come into the picture.